Welcome to my kitchen. Let's make some beans. Slow cooker beans today.
Mommy, can I do some going?
Dried beans, salt.
I haven't
There we go, that easy. So you just cook them up until they will shrink a little bit, add a bit more water until they swell up again. You can always do the taste test to see if they're soft, or the squish test. There we go, that one's ready. And here I am just starting up a Mexican dish in my crock pot because they're ready to go. The rest I have transferred into bags, and I'll be popping these in the freezer to just pop out and defrost whenever I want to put them in a meal. Well, that's that. Super easy, hey? Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.